Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to my channel Code with Pooja Gupta. I am Pooja here and welcoming you to the day 12th of our consistency with the SQL series. So let's continue with the today's SQL question which I follow from the HackerRank. So as you know that we are solving the question from the HackerRank and the difficulty level for now the recurring question is an easy level of question. Okay, and the main motive of solving these questions are that we have to first focus on the thing and the basic concept that how to retrieve the data from the tables and the data and how to use a particular things to insert data and a kind of a thing. Okay, so for today, not till today I am not inserting I will not inserted any data in my last videos. If you have any kind of a queries to how to insert data and create data and kind of a thing, so I will create a separate video for this. And if you are interested that and you want to for a separate video for that thing, so please comment down. I will definitely provide you that video. Okay, so for today I'll continue with the weather observation 17. Please ignore the background sound. It's a huge dramatic sound. Please ignore and focus on my own voice. Okay. So today I continue with the weather observation station 17. Okay. For today. Now, if you want to check that how the last above videos, not videos, but the questions are done and how I will done and how I had done that videos. So please check my last videos and wanted to know the optimized queries. So please check my last video and I will suggest you to please go through with these videos because these are creating the clear understanding of you for the queries and all. Okay. Now continue with the weather observation 17. Okay. So what the query is? Okay. Weather observation sorry, query the western longitude. Okay, so it's longitude where the smallest northern latitude in the station is greater than this. So for this query we need some things like first to round up the fun to round the values need a round up function. To find the smallest we need a small mean aggregate function, and also greater than this. So here what we use? Here we use greater than and relational operators. Okay. So these three things will be present in our query when we are query on the station table. Okay. So let's continue with the code. Continue to query the code. Select, then I will round what? Longitude to what? 4 decimal places. From where? From, of course, from the station table. Okay. Now where? What is where? We need to find a long latitude value. Latitude. Okay. And for finding the latitude I will use subquery. So I'm here using subquery that select mean of what? Mean of latitude. From where? From station table. And from station table what the thing we are here? So from station table where latitude value, northern latitude value will be greater than what? It's 38.7780. Okay, last bracket and this end. Okay. This is what the query will have. Okay, now ready to run the code and processing. Okay, so sample test case 1 passed. Now ready to submit the code, and then submitting the test case 0 which is logged here, and quite taking time. So I hurry up. Okay, so test case 0 will be first passed, and then compiler message success, and congratulations banner is here. So let's move to the next question. So today's next question was second question, population census. Okay, now given two city and country tables, okay, two table, city table and country table, okay, with large number of columns. Now query the sum of populations of all cities where continent is Asia. Okay, read again. Sum of populations of all cities. Okay, so population of cities, okay, is quite good that we have to sum the population. But where the continent is Asia, so how we'll find continent? Okay, so continent, what will continent? So the country code. Okay, so if the city in a particular country code and the country code in this, where is the country code? Yeah, this was the code. I'm just country code was this. If these are same and having the continent equal to Asia, then the query is good. Then this what else is this statement or this kind of query is matching the thing, then it will give us correct answer. Okay, again, there is a note that the city.country.code and the country.code are the matching key columns. Yeah, both are the same columns. Okay, because when we are querying with the two or multiple tables, we need at least one column with the both within the both tables, which will be the same. Because if we want to relate them, so we need at least one column now. So that is the column country code here. In the city it was country code, and in country it was a simply code. Okay, now continue with the query. So select what we need, sum of what, population from where, from city. Okay, and then after I will just join, simply join thing, not join, so I will just separate with comma, country, 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 yeah, country from country where city dot COUNTRY country code equals to country dot COD code, and what will the continent, and COUNTR country dot continent, any and continent. It was a varchar, so it will be in single quote as it was a string. Okay, Asia. Okay, this is the thing that we have done. I think here will be a join, but let's continue. No. Population ambiguity. Sum of population from city. I have to just use here join, and I have to use here on, and here will be a where thing, WHERE, where, and I think it will give us something correct thing. It was ambiguity because I have to find it. It is column from a city, na, city dot population from city join country on the country equals to code value content. Yeah, it was giving right. Okay, so here we are using a simple join. Okay, now in the join we have to focus that when we are querying with the working with the column, it was especially to mention that a column comes from which table. Okay, so the population column come from where, from city table. Okay, now city table is joined with the country table, so it's a kind of simple thing that when just took those rows in the query where the country code for a city and country will be same. Okay, and the country.continent will be Asia. That's it. And for this we are getting a sample test case pass and ready to submit the code. And on submitting the code, the compiler message success. Congratulations, when arrived. Test case 0 pass. So let's moving forward with the next question. Okay, again taking time. Next question arrived. So it's African city colon title for the question. Query. Okay. So given the city and the country table. Okay. Now query the name of all cities where continent is Africa. Okay, and again notice where country code and the country.code in city and the country having the same. Okay, two columns. Now what we don't need to sum, we have to just find the city of the all cities. City of all cities. Okay, name of all cities where the continent is Africa. Okay, so the cities from the African continent, we will simply say this. Now select what? Select city. So city, city.name. Okay, from city and join it on COUNTRY country. Okay, right spelling country. Yeah, country. Where what? Where city.COUNTRYCOD country code equals to what? Equals to COUNTRY country dot what? Code. Code will be in small letters. Yeah, it's in small letter. Now where? What where? Where COUNTRY country dot CONTINENT continent equals to what? It will be Asia. No, not Asia. It's African right now. Africa. Okay. So what the query is doing? So it was giving the name of the all cities and joining the city and country table with the join, not on where but on the condition. On the condition where join only those rows of the board table where the city's country code and the country's code will be same. Okay, what this line, this verse implies? This verse implies join only those rows of the table where the country code in the city table and the code in the country table are same. Okay, after that what? And then query where the country continent equals to Africa. That's it. Now ready to run the code. And yeah, here is the name of the countries: Kenya, Campton Park, Albtron, and kind of weird name. So sample test case pass, 0 pass. Ready to submit the code. And on submitting the code, compile a message success, test case pass, and congratulations, banner is arrived. So guys, I am done with today's video and today's session for the SQL series. If you want any kind of help regarding the SQL, please comment down. I will definitely help you. And if you are in a hurry, so please ChatGPT, because ChatGPT is 1,000 times more intelligent than me. Okay, and if you think that you need a kind of a video, any kind of a video for a particular topic related to SQL, so please guys comment down. I will definitely come with that video too. Okay, so we will meet tomorrow with the next video for SQL series. So for that, Please like, share and subscribe so you will get a notification for my next video. Now I'm done for today. Bye bye, take care, and please like, share and subscribe my video. Tata.